Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity to present my paper with title The Development of Research-Based Learning Material with STEM Approach to Improve the Student Creative Thinking Skill in Solving the Use of Cytosan as Preservative for Processes Need. It is joint work with Joko Waluyo, Davik, and Indrawati. I am Rina Sugiyati Dwikita from the Department of PIPA Doctoral Program FKIP University of Jember. This is the outline of talk, introduction, method, research finding, discussion, and conclusion. In the introduction, research background. Firstly, the demand of 21st century skill of 4C for students is urgently important. Secondly, the learning process should foster the existence of the student creative thinking skill. And the creative thinking skill is part of 21st century skill. And the last RBL STEM is a breakthrough to improving the student creative thinking skill. Now we refer the 21st century skill. We have creative, innovative, critical thinking, communication, and collaboration. Developing a 21st century skill through research activities is needed. But the problem for the student right now, especially for the main indicator fluency, flexibility, elaboration, and originality. Fluency is able to show ideas, method in technique or strategy in solving problem. Flexibility is able to create various ideas, variation of method and technique or varying strategy in solving problem. Elaboration is developing or adding some different ideas or product and detailing the ideas or strategies to be more effective and interesting and originality. Respecting to all indicator above, student face some problem. The interaction of STEM education in research-based learning. STEM is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Those points are correlated one another toward research-based learning or RBL. We have now we have the syntax base of research-based learning with STEM. The research group open problem. Number 1, posing problem on some basic problem related to the abuse of artificial preservative. Number 2, developing new breakthrough related to cytosan from stem cell waste as natural preservative for processes meat. Number 3, collect data related to cytosan content through web browsing and other media channel. Number 4, making cytosan with the using demineralization, deproteination, and deacetylation. And number 5, performing organoleptic test and bacterial test and presenting the result of student research related to the natural preservative for processes meat RBL report. Endorsing the use of authentic assessment. This is the sample of stem cell, cytosan, and processes meat. Now we can see the picture, and then the other one processes meat is the what the sausage and also swan and meatball. The research method we will use the development research report 2 for the model research and development, namely define, design, develop, and disseminate. What do you mean by define? In the front-end analysis, learning analysis, concept analysis, task analysis, learning objective analysis. The design, initial design, learning material selection, format selection, learning material, criteria, and indicator selection. The develop, in the analyze for content, language, format, validities, for by practicality and effectiveness there, and disseminate in the implementation of learning material in Widenscape, older cheese media selected for such conference. The novel of research finding. The first one, research finding here, develop syllabus, RPS, LKM, THBM, respect to research-based learning material with STEM approach to improve the student creative thinking skill in solving the use of citizen as preservative for possessive need. So in the second output novel of the research finding, the effectiveness of implementation, the development of NPL STEM learning. And now we have validation. This graph shows that the validation development by the research satisfied valid and good criteria. The result of the practicality test. Step 1, observation of learning implementation. The result very good. The score for the observation of learning implementation in 3.85 with a percentage of 96.35%. Step 2, observation of student learning activities. Result very good. The result of student activity observation is 3.93 with a percentage of 95%. And step 3, student questions response. Result very good. The score of student response questionnaire result with a percentage of 86.25%. Finally, we have effectiveness test result. Based on the result of the paired simple t-test, it can be seen that the two-tile significant value in 0.05, it means that there is a significant difference between the pre-test and post-test score. Concluding remark of the 4D result of the research, we have indicated the defined it has been developed the sub-learning outcome of chemical natural short course for the potential use of STEM skill. The design it has been developed the syllabus RPS, LKM, and THBM containing pre-test and post-test. All of them satisfied valid and very good criteria. Developed set 1. All of them satisfied valid, very good criteria, and develop step 2. Both of them show the significant effects and disseminate. This stake is left for the next research activities such the implementation of the learning material on wider range. Okay, thank you for your attention. I beg your pardon. And the last day, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.